Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll be teaching you about custom hooks and how to use custom hooks, and in the end we will have created this simple project where we can change the theme from a dark theme to a light theme or from a light theme to a dark theme, and we will be using this through a custom hook which we will build, and along the way I will also explain what custom hooks are and why you should use them. What I have is just a simple React project opened up, and we will be using this to code. And all the code in the video will be found in the description in the GitHub. So first let me explain what custom hooks are. So custom hooks are basically just regular JavaScript functions that you can use in different components, and you can share logic between those components. So instead of having to repeat the same code over and over again in each different component, you could just make a custom hook for that, which does that for you automatically. So to make a custom hook, let's first make a new folder instead of our source folder. Let's call this hooks, and in the hooks let's add a new file. Let's make this use change theme.js, and the reason we have use in front of our file name, it's just syntax so we can differentiate between hooks and just functions. And in this file let's import use state from React, and let's make a function and let's export that. So let's do export default function, and the function name should be the same as the file, so use change theme. And in here let's make a state. Let's call this theme, so let's do const theme, and set theme is equal to use state, and let's make our default theme be dark. And under here let's make a function which changes our theme. So let's do function change theme. Actually let's make the function name switch theme so it doesn't sound the same as the file name. And in here let's set the theme, and let's do if the theme is equal to light, then we'll change to dark. Then we'll change to dark, else we'll change the theme to light. So basically we're just checking if the theme is equal to light, we'll change it to dark, else we'll change it to light. And under here let's return the theme and the function which changes the theme, so switch theme. So to recap, we're first importing use state, we're making a function, and in here we're making a use state called theme and set theme, and we're making a function which changes the theme from light to dark or from dark to light, and we're returning the theme state and the switch theme function. Now back in the app.jsx file, let's import our custom hook. So let's import use change theme from ./hook/use change theme, and inside of our app function let's deconstruct our theme state and our switch theme function. So let's do const theme, and switch theme is equal to use change theme. And under here let's return a div, and in the div let's have a button which we can use to change the theme. So when the button gets clicked, we will run the switch theme function. Above the button let's add a div, and let's give it some properties first. So let's do style is equal to let's give it a background color property, and let's make the background color. So let's check. So if the theme is equal to light, then the background color should be white, else it should be black. And what's wrong? There we go. Oh yeah, let's also just do /div there. So there we go. And in the div let's add a p tag with some hello world text. So let's run this in our app so we can switch the theme, and there we go. The theme switches from light to dark. Let's also give it other properties so we can see it better. So let's also give it properties like height. Let's make the height 100 pixels and the width 100 pixels as well. And the p tag, let's also add some styles here. And in the p tag, let's do color. So if the theme is equal to light, we'll make the color so if the theme is equal to light, we'll make the color black, else we'll make the color white. So if we check this on our app, as you can see, we can switch the theme. So when the theme is light, the text will be black, and when it's dark, the text will be white. So let me just recap what we're doing here. Let me just close my terminal. So what we're doing is we're inputting the custom hook from our hooks folder. Doing this is literally the exact same as import use state from React. So importing the use change theme is just the same as just importing the use state. So we're basically importing use state from React, and we're importing use change theme from our hooks folder. Now let me delete this, and under the app, this const theme and switch theme is equal to use change theme. What this basically is, we're just getting the theme and the switch theme from our use change theme. So in our use change theme file, we are returning the theme, the state theme, and the function switch theme. And in our app.jsx, we're just getting that. And under here, this div right here, what we're doing in this div is we're basically doing a style, and we're checking if the background color is light, then we want to make the color of the background white, else black. And this p tag, what we're doing is we're checking if the theme is light, then we'll make the text color black, else white. And this button, when we click it, we're basically running the switch theme function. So when we click this button, we're essentially just running this function right here. So there we go, guys. This is just a simple introduction to custom themes. There is obviously infinite other possibilities which you can use custom themes on. For example, let's say you have an app where a specific like component can only be accessed by authenticated users. Well, you could have a custom hook called, let's say, useauth.js, and in there you could check if the user is authenticated, and you could basically import that useauth in different components and run it there. So this is just a simple tutorial and introduction to custom hooks. If you enjoyed this video, do go ahead and leave a like. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.